How to increase Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to increase Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So there's actually a lot of methods that you can try. So the first method involves closing the distance between your router and your iPhone. So that's the best bet. You just need to head closer to your router and you should be able to experience higher internet speed. So the second method is try removing your case because on some people this worked. So when they remove their case, if they have thick case, then judges will increase the speed. Again, this is not guaranteed, this is a stretch, but on some people it works. So what you need to do next is just head over to settings and then head over to your Wi-Fi and try to see if you can connect to the 5G version of your Wi-Fi. So there's actually two types of Wi-Fi. One is the 2.4G and one is the 5G. So of course 5G is faster and 2.4G is slower. So try to connect to the 5G version of your Wi-Fi. So if all of that doesn't work for you, what you need to do next is to locate the power button on the side of your iPhone and long press it. And then what you need to do next is to just slide to power your iPhone off and then just turn it on again by clicking or long pressing the power button, and you should be able to restart itself and try to connect the Wi-Fi again and see if this works. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to increase Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!